Well, it'll be the first flight. I thought about doing it inside the house, but my house is real small. Just got this today. Took the battery in and out a couple times just to get used to it. Unplugging that thing is a pain in the butt though. Don't like it. About 50 degrees out. Wind's about 8 miles an hour, and it says 18 mile an hour gust, so I'm going to put it on sport mode. Let's see what happens. Throttle is real touchy. Little small movements. Tell that wind is pushing it. Do like the sounds of it. Kind of hard to tell if I need to trim or anything. Real touchy. Yeah, it might be a little bit too windy to do a good test. There's a big gust. Oh. Wind took it away. It's just too windy for this thing.